One of the benefits of the system architecture is the tenancy and hierarchy structure. So in simpler terms, as a client, you can create or copy clients underneath you. Assuming you are set up to handle more than one tenant or more than one client, uh, we can give you the privilege to copy that client. A use case might be I'm a consulting firm, I work with multiple companies, and I would like to roughly copy what I am using today, but change the branding. So instead of being Ford, it could be GM. To build off that example, I might be a multinational company that has multiple divisions, some international, some domestic. Maybe it's a center of excellence. I can set up those different structures and just make subtle changes by copying my existing client. To do so, you go to Clients, and a couple of options come up. Very few users have these privileges, but if you do and you're watching this, this is something that you might have interest in doing. I can browse my clients to see what's in there by changing this client search criteria. I can create a new client from scratch, but then I would have to go in and turn those wrenches one more time to make sure all of the settings are the same. So create new client is kind of that I'm building something new at this point. The copy client feature will take everything that you've already built and copy it down, those inherited privileges, security groups, setups, things like that. So I'm going to create something called copy client. So I want to make sure that this is not real, and I'll actually go ahead and put demo at the end of it, just so we know it's a demonstration client. And the URL has to be unique, but as I click copy, that information should get done, should get copied, so I can see all that information when I then go to my client search. So I am going to now do a quick search of copy client demo. And as I click on that, well, doesn't really have a gender, but this client is going to have all of the privileges that the one I just copied from did. And let's say I want to move it. I want to move it underneath Jared, sample client. I can then save that, but this client has inherited all of the candidate settings, all of the tester actions, reminders, catalog settings if they're customized fields and registration settings. And then I save that information, and that client has been created. So this saves you a lot of time rather than having to build a bunch of clients and do that setup. So just a little bit about copying clients to make things easier for those, like I said, multinationals, large companies, logical divisions, consulting firms. This can be a really handy feature.